Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems that your microphone is not working in R.E.P.O? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So now in here I'm just going to click on the escape button to be able to be taken to this page right here. Then what I'm going to do is to click on settings right here as you can see, then click on audio, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page. Now in here scroll down until you can see the microphone right here. So in here you need to actually select your microphone. So if you have it set to none, here just swipe like this, click on this arrow right here and select the microphone that you're using right now. For me it's the external microphone right here as you can see. And then you need to also make sure that your proximity voice volume is actually also set to at least 75%. This volume also to at least 75% right here. And scroll down in here and set your microphone volume to, I would say, at least 80 in my opinion. Then push to talk. Make sure that this one, if this one is set to off, make sure that this is enabled. This is actually on right here. And then controls right here, scroll down and the push to talk. For me, it's set to F, but you can set this one to whatever. For example, left mouse right here. And if you now click on your left mouse and talk, then people should be able to hear you. And this is basically exactly how to fix microphone not working in R.E.P.O.